In this video, I will show you how to unblock a basin or a sink. It's really simple. All you need is one thing. It's called plunger. With a plunger, you can put it on the sink. The rubber around the plunger will create a vacuum, and then when you pull it, it pulls the water from the bottom all the way out, and everything that got stuck with it would force it also to come out with it. Let's get started.
As you can see, water doesn't get drained. It's going very slow. First, we need to turn on the water. Once we got enough water, we can start the action. Take the plunger and press it in. Make sure that the water is not blocked. Keep pressing and pushing it down and pulling it up. Pushing it down, pulling it up. Don't give up. Just keep doing until more and more stuff comes out. I'm looking for hairs. As you can see, got some hairs. Hairs are one of the things that really would block the sink or basin. Take the hairs and put them into the toilet. Now we need to check again whether this has solved the problem. If it hasn't, so we need to let the water to come up again and start the process one more time. So let's do again. Press it to open the water, and now let's keep pumping until we find more hair or some other things that could have blocked. You can see this is the hair that was blocking the sink, which is an addition to the first batch that I have found. Now let's test again the basin, and you can see the water goes down pretty easily and it doesn't get stuck. As soon as I turn it off, all the water is disappeared.
I hope this video was useful. If it was, please don't forget to watch my other videos to my left and right, and subscribe to support my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.